One of the renowned degree college at Bokajan under Bokajan subdivision of East Karbi Anglong district, popularly known as Eastern Karbi Anglong College, achieved a milestone of successfully completing its glorious 25 years. Hence, to commemorate this event, 3 days long celebration was observed from 25th to 27th November, marking Silver Jubilee celebration. It was informed that Dr. Anil Chandra Das, principal of Eastern Karbi Anglong College, did the honor to host the official college flag during the opening ceremony, and Surjo Rongpar, EM of KEEC, also the president of reception committee of EKEC Silver Jubilee celebration, inaugurated the opening ceremony on 25th November. After the inaugural ceremony, it was followed by several sports and cultural events, including diverse cultural display and performance from the invited artists. On 27th of November, on the occasion of Silver Jubilee celebration, mass public meeting was also organized, where Braja Bijay Sharma, principal of Balipathar High School, chaired the meeting, and Dr. Anil Chandra Das, principal of Eastern Karbi Anglong College, briefed the objective of the mass gathering. Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, attended as the chief guest of the event. EM Surjo Rongpar, EM Richard Togbi, EM Kadom Terangpi, MEC, and several dignitaries of the region attended the event. Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of KEEC, while addressing his speech, gave an assurance to provide a financial grant of ₹1 crore for extension in numbers of classrooms, science streams, and beautification of the campus. Richard Togbi, EM in charge of education, during his speech expressed his gratitude to all the students who had successfully completed their graduation from Eastern Karbi Anglong College. Anand Terang's report from Bokajan for Karbi Anglong Live.